I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mixed green salad. First, let's talk about selecting the perfect greens. Aim for a vibrant assortment, perhaps combining a tender leaf like butter lettuce with a more robust option such as baby spinach or arugula. Freshness is key, so choose greens that are crisp and brightly colored. Avoid any leaves that appear wilted or have brown spots. A good mix provides both visual appeal and a delightful range of textures for your palate. Once you've chosen your greens, proper washing and drying are crucial for a great salad. Rinse all your greens thoroughly under cool running water, gently separating leaves to ensure all dirt is removed. The next step is vital: drying. Use a salad spinner to remove as much water as possible. Excess moisture will dilute your dressing and make your salad less appealing, so ensure your greens are completely dry for maximum crispness. Now for the fun part, adding toppings. This is where you can truly customize your salad. Think about incorporating a rainbow of vegetables like sliced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, or bell peppers for crunch and nutrients. For a more substantial meal, consider adding a protein such as grilled chicken, roasted chickpeas, or a handful of walnuts. A sprinkle of toasted seeds or homemade croutons will also provide a delightful textural contrast. The dressing is the final touch that brings everything together. A classic vinaigrette, made with 3 parts olive oil to 1 part vinegar, plus salt and pepper, is always a good choice. Remember to dress your salad just before serving to maintain the green's crispness. Add the dressing gradually, then toss gently with tongs or your hands until every leaf is lightly coated. Avoid overdressing. You want to enhance, not drown, your beautiful greens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.